studying in 6th class. We are making the video of first in the world.
Which country started the first paper money? Answer China. Which country started the first airline? Germany. Which country started the first newspaper? Answer Germany. Which country started the first wonder? United States. Which country started the first hospital? Answer Sri Lanka. Which country started the first mobile phone? United States. Which country started the first airline? China. Which country started the first industrial revolution? Answer United Kingdom. Which country started the first railway? Answer United Kingdom. Which country started the software dating? Answer Bill Gates. Which country started the first currency? Which country started the first helicopter? Answer them. Which country started the first paper press? Answer which country started the first post office? Which country started the first bank? Answer Italy. Which country started the first internet? Answer United States. Which country started the first census? Answer China. Which country started the first answer United States. Which country started the first electricity? Answer Brazil. Which country started the first US Answer which country started the first stock exchange? Answer Netherlands. Which country started the first car industry? Answer Germany. Which country started the first TV broadcasting? Answer United Kingdom. Which country started the first vaccine? Answer United Kingdom. Which country started the space program? USSR. Which country started the first postage stamp? Answer USA. Which country started the printing press? Answer Germany. Which country started the telephone? Answer United States. Thank you for this video.